Hello everyone, just delay. This is Wangmo. Welcome back to my channel. Tibet, located in the southwest border of China, is famous for its unparalleled plateau snowy scenery and unique plateau geographical culture. And Tibet has 6 prefecture-level cities: the Lhasa, Lhasa, Ningchi, Nakchu, Chamdo, and Shikatse, and one region is Ngari. And next, let me show you some changes in these 7 places today in my video. First of all, Lhasa means the Holy Land in Tibetan language and also known as the Sunshine City. It's a holy city in the heart of our Tibetans and also a holy city for the tourists from all the directions. And nowadays, Lhasa continues to strengthen the infrastructure construction, and the city has undergone earth-shaking changes. A large number of new buildings have been built and that are integrating with the modern style and the ethnic characteristics have been built, such as the Lhasa Hotel, the Tibet Hotel, the Tibet Museum, the Jorkon Temple Square, and the Potala Palace Square. And now that it has entered in the 21st century, and the old and young Lhasa has shown its style in a new and more beautiful way. Then, Shikatse means the manor with the best soil in Tibetan language. The ancient buildings in Shikatse not only maintain the Tibetan architectural styles, but also absorb the architectural art of the Han nationality in China, among which especially temples like Zhishilenbo Temple and the Aura Temple, Shalu Temple, and other 16 multi-sect temples with their own characteristics. Tibetan houses are all over the urban and rural area with unique and diverse styles and rich and diverse connotations. The high-grade highway and the Fuxin bullet train from Lhasa was also opened to Shikatse, and the Trinity 3-dimensional transportation network of Shikatse railway, highway, and aviation was improved. Then, Lhasa is the birthplace of the Tibetan culture. Before, the traffic was extremely inconvenient, and now the city is also connected to the railway, high-grade highway. For example, there are 39 main municipal roads built in the Naidong County, Lhasa City, with a total length of about 100 kilometers and an urban area of more than 12 square kilometers. Along the municipal roads, all kinds of residential areas and commercial areas develop rapidly. With the new municipal facilities, such as the new Yalong People's Park and the South Square of the railway station put into use, people will also have more places to exercise and walk. Then, Ningchi, which means the throne of the sun in Tibetan language. As the name says, Ningchi's scenery and the climate really pleasant, which has become one of the tourist places that many friends want to visit. Great changes have also taken place in Ningchi city today. The roads have been widened, the living conditions have been improved, education level has also been greatly improved. The tourism has become a strategic pillar industry to promote the economic development of Ningchi. Then, Chamdo means the water confluence mouth in Tibetan language, because Chamdo located in the 3 rivers and 1 river area. In Chamdo city, the previous urban area was only 4.6 square kilometers and 6 bridges across the river. And now, the Chengdu city's urban space is nearly 3 times larger than before, and there are 13 bridges across the river alone, each with its own distinctive buildings like or scattered pearls inlaid in the valleys. Then, Nakchu, which Tibetan means the Black River, is named after the Nakchu River in the upper reaches of the Nujang River passing through the county. Due to the shortage of the building material, Nakchu had only 1 or 2 streets before, and most of the houses are iron roofed with a windshield performance, like a steamer in summer and ice cellar in winter. Today, the wide and clean streets of Nakchu are full of buildings with the strong Tibetan cultural traditions. The comfortable and rich racecourse hall with ethnic characteristics and other buildings have become the landmark of buildings in the new city. Last, Ngeri. The word Ngeri is a transliteration of the Tibetan language, meaning territory. It is known as the ridge of the roof of the world and the forbidden area of life. Before, Ngeri had only a dozen stone houses, 100 people, but now Ngeri has achieved leapfrog development. The living standard of farmers and herdsmen greatly improved. And now let's have a look at Ngeri today by video. In the many eyes of people, Tibet is an ancient and mysterious land, and even a backward land. Today, Tibet has become a place where historical and cultural buildings are integrated with modern buildings, and it also become a place where many people must go once in their lives. Okay, sincerely invite all of you to visit Tibet and see it by yourself. And it's time to say goodbye to everyone. See you next time. Bye. Just delay.